In step 4, this is where the tinsel falls and it touches the tin. So it's kind of helpful to draw this one as a before and after again. So we have the tinsel up in the air, okay? And then we have our tin, and our tin is upside down. All right, we're holding on to that. Okay, so this is kind of falling down. And then this one is going to be moment they touch. Okay. So there's our tin. Here's our tinsel. Okay, right, so our tin is electrically positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and the tinsel is, we haven't done anything with it yet, so it is electrically neutral. So I'm gonna give it like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'll give it 4 protons and 4 electrons. Okay, so we know that this is a conductor and this is a conductor. So when it falls down and when they touch, will electrons be able to move between these materials? And the answer to that is yes. Yes, they're both conductors. All right, so which object is going to gain electrons and which one is going to lose them? Well, at least in the way that I drew this picture, the pi tin doesn't have any electrons to give off, which is not totally accurate. I mean, but that's fine. This is neutral, right? Q equals 0 and Q equals positive. We always have electrons go from the path of from the object that has more negative charge, and this one has more negative charge than this one. So when they touch, the electrons from here are going to flow into the pi tin. So the gain equals tin, lose equals tinsel. I didn't realize that those two words are very similar. Okay. All right, so we have, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now, they're going to do their best. This is going to do its best to try to neutralize this and this as much as possible and make them the same charge. Now, it's kind of impossible with 4 electrons to, like, even that out. So we might keep 2. 1, 2. We might even keep just 1. But I'll just go ahead and do 2 and put 2 in here. All right? So we have electrons moving from the tinsel to the tin to try to neutralize it just a little bit. What kind of charging is this? Well, we had 2 conductors that touched and they transferred electrons. We call this contact. Contact charging. All right. And in this moment, we have this charge is still positive, and now because we still have more protons than we did electrons, and this one now is positive as well, right? Because now we have 2 electrons and 4 protons, so we're going to have positive and positive. So we can say both are positive. Equal positive. And now you might be able to understand why this is going to float above the above the piton because they are both the same charge and those same will repel. So we'll talk about that in step 5.